Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to fix Windows 11 or 10 stuck in airplane mode. Firstly, the simplest and often most effective fix is to restart your Windows. Just click the Start menu, Power, Restart. Airplane mode may be stuck due to software glitch. Restarting clears that temporary issue. The second fix is to use a shortcut on keyboard. Most laptops have an airplane mode toggle key, often marked with plain icon. Look at the top function row, then hold down the FN key and press the key with the airplane symbol. And thirdly, use Windows Action Center. Click the network, battery, and volume icons at the bottom right corner of the taskbar. A menu will pop up. Just click Airplane Mode button to toggle it off. If it's blue or highlighted, it's on. Click on it to turn it off. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.